Okay, now let's move on to the next example, which is on the page 56, example 10. Okay, now this one, they give you a bit different from the one that we did before. They ask you to find the exact value, but instead of asking for sign of a addition of subtraction of two angles, they give you the end result of the formula. See? It's a vice versa, which is they give you sine 50 degrees, cosine 20 degrees, minus cosine 50 degrees, sine 20 degrees. Now, for this kind of question, what you have to do, the first thing is you have to compare and contrast with the formula that you have. Now, the formula that you have, you're going to have a list of a lot of formulas. So, I'm going to show you. You're going to have something like this. See? Okay? So, do not worry. Just find something that is similar to the question before, which is this. Sine 50 cosine 20 minus cosine 50 sine 20. Now, over here, you can see that your sine 50 is, you can name it as A. Cosine 20, you can name it the angle B. Okay, now you can say that this is sine A, cosine B, minus by, because this is still 50 degrees, so this one would be cosine A, sine 20 degrees is sine B. So let's look at the formula. Is there any formula that you're going to have sine A cos B minus cos A sine B? So basically, you will get this part, right? Where you have sine A cos B, but over here is plus. What you want is minus. So look at the second one, which is sine A cos B minus by cos A sine B. So the formula that we use is actually for sine A minus by B. Okay, so you can say that this is a rule or the formula that we'll be using. So if you can compare, you have this. There you can straight away got the answer, which is you can conclude the answer is such. Sine 50 degrees cosine 20 degrees minus by cosine 50 degrees sine 20 degrees is equivalent to this one. Sine, your A is 50 degrees, your B is 20 degrees. So substitute, you're going to have 50 degrees minus by 20 degrees. As such, simplify 50 minus 20 will give you sine 30 degrees. So the exact value of sine 30 degrees will be equivalent to half. As simple as that. Okay?